If you are an unmarried woman in Texas and have a child, you may wish to establish the paternity for that child so that you receive child support and your child has medical insurance through the father. In order to do that, you have to file what's called a suit affecting parent-child relationship. If you know who the father is, you can identify them in the suit as the parent and ask for them to be named the legal father so that they will be responsible for supporting your child. Now, keep in mind that if you do that, that person is going to have rights as a parent. They may have decision-making rights. They may obtain joint custody or joint conservatorship of your child, and they certainly will have visitation rights to your child. So one thing to keep in mind is if you are going to need support, you need to file the suit affecting parent-child relationship, but that parent is going to have a relationship with your child. If you're the father of a child that was born outside of marriage, in order to have rights to that child, you need to establish paternity. That means that you need to file a suit affecting parent-child relationship to be named as the legal father of that child in order to have any rights regarding that child, in order to have the right to visitation, in order to have the right to make decisions regarding that child, you need to be named the legal father. Now, if you file that suit to obtain those rights as a father, you're going to have other duties to your child. That includes paying child support, providing medical and dental insurance. So keep in mind that you will be a father under the eyes of the law, and you'll have rights, but you'll also have duties and obligations to the kid. In an unmarried parent situation, shared custody is the same as if you were married. You will determine where that child's going to live, which parent the child's going to live with primarily. The other parent is going to have a visitation schedule, and that parent is going to pay child support and usually provide health and dental insurance as well. If you're not married to the mother of your child, then it's necessary to prove through genetic testing that you are the father. If you're an unmarried woman that has a child with someone else and you think that if I just let time go by and they're not involved, that they can't come back in the future and be involved in my child's life, that is really not the situation. At any point, a person who is the biological parent of a child, they can come back and try to get rights. So avoiding the situation doesn't make it go away. The father of that child can come back at any time and decide to be involved in their kid's life. If you have any questions about paternity, give us a call at DeFord Law Firm.